Hello, beautiful people. So today I got asked this question about 5 times by different people asking the same question. So I said I'll just make a video about this. About the salt. So the question was, how long does the salt last? Between 3 months and 6 months, the energy will be saturated. But as I always say, it's intuitive. The salt will speak to you. So if you feel like someday you walk in and you feel this is neutral already, it's not working the way it should, you just release the salt. The easiest way to release the salt is in your toilet, because salt goes back to the water. So you don't want to throw it on the ocean. Maybe you don't have an ocean nearby or even a river. It doesn't have to be hard. Just do it in your own home. All right? So this is an interesting question that people have asked me. And I just will tell them salt lasts for a very long time. And something else. 2 questions actually. How long should the crystals stay on the sea salt bed? Don't let them be there for more than 24 hours. It's not good, all right? And the salt may become a little aggressive to specific crystals, especially some variations of quartz like lavender, amethyst, and citrine. I noticed they're more sensitive to the salt than other types of quartz crystal specimens. So just another thing to share with you. And I hope you're doing well and that your crystals are awesome and that you have more crystal experiences to share with us. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.